compare function in BIM360 document management can version compare DWGs, PDFs and Revit files. To compare a version, simply navigate to your file location within BIM360 document management, click on your file to open it, and navigate to the compare function at the bottom of the screen. If you open a PDF file and choose two different versions to compare, after a few seconds the drawing will open showing changes that have occurred in red and blue. If you choose to open a Revit file, it will appear in varying colours. It will take a few seconds to open once you choose to compare, and if you navigate to a relevant 3D view and turn on the compare function, green signifies any items that have been added, red for anything that has been removed, and yellow for items that have been modified. If you wish, you can download these changes as a CSV file and open it within Excel. This could be a good workflow for applying a cost or quantity to any design changes, or for simply just tracking changes.